Introducing the revolutionary smart fire alarm system, your ultimate guardian against fire and hazardous gas outbreaks. Whether in your home, office, factory, gas station, or company, stay updated and instantly alerted when there's a fire or hazardous gas outbreak. Getting started with the smart fire alarm system is quick and easy. Begin by signing up with your first and last name, email address, and a secure password. Once signed up, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can add your smart fire alarm device. Simply enter the device ID found on your smart fire alarm, and within moments, your device is connected and ready to protect your environment. With just a few steps, you are set to monitor and manage your smart fire alarm system anytime, anywhere. Stay connected, stay safe. You can view the temperature, humidity, and gas ppm levels of the current location of the device and also get instant alerts of fire or gas outbreaks. For more information or inquiries, you can reach us on WhatsApp, send us an email us at info@rehubdeveloper@gmail.com, or visit our website at rehubdevelopers.pythonanywhere.com. We are here to assist you.